to our third video in the Google Sites how-to. So in this video, I'm going to show you a little bit more of how to add content into your sites now that you have created the basic template. So we have the template created. Again, you put your welcome message here. You're going to upload a photo. It's pretty self-explanatory. Click the plus, you click upload. You're going to choose it from your computer, and then it will be inserted into your site. Now, the About Me page. There's a couple ways. This is, again, where you're going to put your Google Slides presentation. There's a couple ways you can do this. It's very versatile, this new Google Sites. So what you're going to do is if you go over to Insert, we have all kinds of options. You can add text box, you can add images, but I'm going to show you the quickest shortcut. So the first thing we want to do is just put a little thing introducing our About Me page. So all I have to do is anywhere in this area I want to edit, okay, I'm just going to double click, and when I do that, it pops up this little box. This gives me all the features I have over here. So I can embed things, I can put text in, I can upload, I can do images, I can do stuff from my drive. I'm just going to put text in, and I'm going to put in here view, and just going to put a little message in about your Google Slides presentation. So view the presentation. Or no, let's even do this. View the slides presentation to learn, if I can type correctly, more about me. Okay, now right below here we're going to add in the Google Slides presentation you made about yourself earlier. Again, we can go to Drive and we could try to find it and everything, but depending on your drive, you look at mine, I have literally thousands of items. So there's an easier way, and I'm all about showing you the easiest way. What I want you to do is you're going to go to your Google Tools folder that you created. You're going to find your About Me presentation that you already made. Okay, so I'm going to open that up, and this is the example one I made. And I'm going to click up on the Share option up here. And there's a few things we want to do. We're going to click on Advanced, and we want to change it from off, where it was default set, to just private, to we want to put anyone in Genoa City School District or anyone with the link. Either one of these will work. It really doesn't matter. This makes it so that if we publish your website, that only people at our school can view it, not anyone else. If you wanted it so that the whole world could view it, you'd have to put on public on the web. For us, for now, please just choose either on Genoa City or with the link. I'm just going to do on with the link, click Save. And if you notice, it says down here they can view. You want to make sure that it is on view. That's by default. You don't want them to be able to edit it. Now we have a link to share. I want you to highlight this link. So you're going to click in there. You're going to do Command-C to copy. And we're just going to say done. And then we're going to go back to our website that you're editing. I'm going to, in this blank area down here, I am going to simply do Command-V to paste. And look at that. It automatically knows that it's a website it wants to embed. So we're going to simply click Insert, and it's going to put our site in. Our Google Slide into our site. Now, I don't like it really small like this, so I'm going to grab the corner and make it a little bit larger. And then I also think it looks a little nicer if I center it, so I'm going to simply grab this and drag it, and you can see it's going to help me align it. That looks about center right, so right about there looks center, so I'm going to let go. And that's it. My Google Slides presentation is put in for the About Me. Now, if you go to your My School page, you're again just going to do the exact same thing, embed the presentation from the one that you made showing the tour of the school. For your tech class, what I'd like you to do on this one is when you click on tech class, is if you look at the layouts, there are different layouts here. We already talked about that. This is the one we chose for our home page, where it had a picture of you and your welcome message. Because you had to learn at least 3 different topics this year, I'd like you to select the 3 topics. If you really want to showcase more and do like a 4-topic one, you can do that. But I'm recommending just click on this 3 topic. And here you're going to put in the title like I did before. So like I did green screen and video editing. or Spiro robots, or stop motion, whatever things that you learned about. And then again, just like your picture, you're going to upload and you're going to put in pictures of the different things. Again, you could do that with just taking iPad. It doesn't have to be you doing it. It can be other people, students in class. Just make sure that you're polite when you're taking these pictures. And then that will cover the different topics we studied in tech class. So now, with a little bit of customization, you've got your home page done. Your About Me page has your Google Slides presentation embedded in. Your tech class page has your pictures and the topics that were covered, and your My School has the tour of the school. The final thing we need is favorite sites, or my favorite sites. This is again very, very easy to do. What I'd like you to do is to first go to one of your favorite sites. So let's say I wanted to go to an example. I think I showed you Scratch. So I'm going to go to Scratch. I'm going to go to the website. I'm going to copy this address. Okay, it's Command C. I'm going to go back to my website. And again, I'm going to do a quick embed. To do that, I'm going to double click. Then I'm going to simply put in text. I'm going to do Scratch. And you could type whatever you want in here. And then whatever part you want to be the link, if you want the whole thing, you just highlight the whole word. If you want it to be part, you can do part. I'm going to click the whole word. I'm going to click on the insert link here. It looks like the paperclip. And then down here where it says link, I'm going to just Command V, paste in the actual address, and click apply. All right, click off of it, and there it is. To add my next website, double click, text. Maybe I'll do the Brookwood schools. And again, I'm going to go to the Brookwood Schools site. I'm going to copy, Command C, copy that address, go back to here. If I want just the word schools to do it, I would highlight that and paste in the link and click apply, and you can see just this word schools will do it. I think it's best to do, in this example, the whole thing. So I'm going to click the whole thing, click link, and click apply. All right, and then you can see there is the links to the other websites, and you could duplicate them, rearrange them, all different kinds of things. Put in dividers. There's a lot of stuff you can play with here, but again, I'm just covering the very, very basics. So that is how to edit your different parts of your site. I want you to go through and make it perfect. The final video will show you how to publish this website so that it's actually on the internet. We're not going to put it for the whole world to see, but I'm going to show you how that would work anyways. So that is the overview of how to edit each page and what you should be, how to add the content to each page.